This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a mint drawing. Gather paper, pencils, eraser, blending stump, and a reference mint leaf to start. Begin with a light outline of the stem and leaf shapes, then block in midtones and shadows. Use small, curved strokes to indicate leaf texture and veins. Blend gently for soft transitions and add crisp highlights last to make the mint look fresh. Keep your hand relaxed and practice daily. Start by lightly sketching the overall leaf silhouette and stem with soft pencil strokes. Focus on proportion and negative space rather than detail, which you will refine later. Lay in the main veins with faint lines that flow from the stem toward the edges. Block in shadow areas to define volume, then refine contours and edges so the leaf reads clearly against the background. Stay patient and build layers slowly for depth. When adding texture, use short, controlled strokes that follow the leaf's direction to suggest fuzz and fine hairs. Build color in layers, midtones, then darker values for shadow, and finally small highlights where light hits the ridges. Pay attention to subtle color shifts from stem to edge and consider slight blue undertones for freshness. Use a kneaded eraser to lift tiny highlights and a blending stump for soft transitions between tones and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.